Welcome to Crypto Horizon. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of BingX and exploring how you can maximize your trading experience with the BingX referral code CHUCHU. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding the benefits of using this referral code can significantly enhance your journey. BingX is a leading cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of trading options and features. One of the standout aspects of BingX is its referral program, which rewards both the referrer and the new user. By using the referral code CHUCHU during your sign-up process, you unlock exclusive bonuses that can amplify your trading potential. So, what exactly are these bonuses? When you register with the referral code CHUCHU, you may receive a welcome bonus of trading credits, and you could even get a percentage of your transaction fees waived for a limited time. This means more profit in your pocket as you trade various cryptocurrencies on this innovative platform. But the benefits don't stop there. When you refer others using your own personalized referral code, you can earn additional rewards based on their trading activities. This creates a win-win situation where everyone involved can reap the benefits, making the BingX community stronger and more rewarding. Using the referral code CHUCHU is incredibly easy. Simply visit the BingX website or download the app, click on the Sign Up button, and enter the code CHUCHU in the designated field. It only takes a few seconds and you're on your way to enjoying exclusive perks while trading smarter. In addition to bonuses, BingX provides a user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and educational resources to help you make informed decisions. Whether you prefer spot trading, margin trading, or trading derivatives, BingX offers a robust environment to meet your needs. Thank you for tuning in to Crypto Horizon and discovering the benefits of the BingX referral code CHUCHU. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the crypto world. Happy trading!